Hi and welcome to Backyard Growing SA. So in today's video, I'm going to be starting a weekly to bi-weekly garden update. And if you want to see progress in the garden, you can subscribe to the channel. And if you enjoy what you see, you can leave a like. And if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. So on that note, let's get to the video. I'm going to plant now the leeks. I'm just going to take a scissor and cut the dead leaves off. But as you can see, they're still in plugs form, so there's still a lot. They're not yet ready to be broken up individually. So I'm just going to plant them in here. And then once they're thicker, like a pencil size, then they will each get their own hole. See, I loosen up the soil a bit now, so it's more fluffy. And you can see how thick the roots of the leeks are, because I like loose soil. So yeah, I'm just going to plant them in here until they get bigger and are ready for transplanting. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to be planting them now. Doesn't really matter how close I plant them because this isn't the final resting place anyway, so yeah. So while I put them in here, I'm going to put them until the white part and then let the green just show out. I'm just going to close them lightly up. So I'm just going to remove now all the mulch from this empty bucket, and then I'm going to add compost to it and mix it with that soil. I'm just going to loosen the soil up a bit. Then I'm going to take some of the soil out, add some compost, and then I'll show you what I take out. I'm going to fill up some other buckets that I have. I use this compost now, and yeah, I'm gonna add it in all these buckets, and when I'm done I'll be back. So I added compost in all of this now, so I'm gonna now just add some fertilizer, root fertilizer. So this fertilizer is gonna help with the roots. This is guano pellets, so I'm just gonna throw like a half a handful in each of these buckets. So here's the vegetables what's going in there. The cauliflowers in here, and then I have Chinese cabbage in here, and kale, and the Brussels sprouts. And here's a little update also Here's the cauliflower that I planted in the previous video, and there's the broccoli what's gonna go in here as well, and that is the pak choy. I'm not yet sure where's that gonna go in, because the cabbage, cauliflower, and the broccoli each gonna get their own pot, but obviously I don't have enough space for all of that to go in there, because it's 10 pots and there's 6 of them, and I must still leave space for the cauliflower when they get a bit bigger before I can transplant them. This is fine to transplant. I know it only have one true leaf, but it is in here, so it's fine because it's still in this thing. And also here is the garlic. So yeah, the garlic's also doing very well now. It's growing in here. So what I'm thinking is, since the garlic is a deeper root and the pak choy is a shallow root, I think I'm gonna plant 1 or 2 in here with them, because I still have space at the back here also. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So before I do that, I just want to figure out how I'm gonna set this now up. Okay, so I got the 10 over here, 3 broccolis, and the rest is all cauliflower, so I'm just gonna plant them all in here. And for the rest of the other stuff, I'll find places soon for them. Let me just get this in the ground quickly. Okay, so I'm gonna just risk it, and I'm gonna have to put 2 in each one, because that's what happens when you don't have space and you do grow in containers. You have to sacrifice and get maybe smaller heads, but at least I get 2, I guess. But okay, so yeah, I'm gonna just do that now. So I'm gonna be putting 2 of each in the buckets, but obviously I'm gonna put 2 of the same ones in there. I just have to keep watering and fertilizing them. But yeah, and you will see how it go on each week. Every other week will always be updates of how it's going. So that just means I have to put now more fertilizer in here, so I'll just put another half a hand in here. I will not go too close to the edge. Go around here. And also the good thing about growing in containers, I can move them around wherever the sun is, so they will get their 4 to 6 hours of sun a day, so that is fine also. Okay, so I got 2 in there, 2 in there, and 2 in there, and the rest I put 1 in each. So we're gonna see how the difference is when they start growing over the next few months. So I'm gonna add now the mulch. Also here at the bottom I have 2 free ones now, so I can plant that other greens in here. So that's all done now. So let's get on to the next things. Before I do that, I just want to show you how the carrots are doing. As you can see, a few of the carrots germinated already. Okay, so here is some space in here with the pomegranate and the rosemary. But what I'm going to do is I'm just take my saw and cut this part off here, and then I can plant in here. I don't know yet if I'm going to plant the broccoli in here or the Brussels sprout, but I'll see once this is done cut. Okay, so now there's more space now in front there. So I'm just gonna decide now what is gonna go in where, and then I'll be back. Okay, so the broccoli is gonna go with the rosemary, and the pomegranate, nothing's gonna go in there. I'm gonna decide maybe the mustard green is gonna go in there, or the kale, because the Brussels sprouts take too long to grow, and it's gonna affect the growing process of the pomegranate. So yeah, I'm gonna plant the broccoli in there. I'll find another spot for the Brussels sprouts. Okay, so these things I'm gonna do next week. The pak choy, that is also pak choy, Brussels sprouts and the kale, and we'll see how the cauliflower is doing, and I'm gonna be planting that next week. And before we go, I'm just gonna show you a little update of how the other vegetables what germinated are doing. I know I did show the carrots and the garlic, but this is now like 2 days after that. So yeah, here's another update of how the garlic is doing. They're growing nicely. And yeah, I'm gonna maybe plant that pak choy in here. But I'm gonna see first, because I have 2 crates over here. I think I'm gonna put the Brussels sprouts in there, but I first need to make space before I can even do that. And over here is the beetroot, what is germinating. They're doing quite well also. And here's the carrots, what all is busy germinating now. That's I planted on the 31st of March. It's now let's check, it's the 8th of April today. Yeah. So it didn't take that long. Most did germinate. And yeah, because it stayed moist all the time with this mulch on top, so the soil was moist through the whole process. So yeah, I don't just need to move this because it all came out, and the others will germinate. And as time go on, as the weeks go on, as we see how this is growing, I will thin them out also. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to see more of these updates. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And if you want to support the video, leave a like, comment down below what you want to see next. And also to help the channel out, you can become a member or super thanks. Thank you for watching. Backyard out.